When it comes to wireless performance, the 2025 WANBO Mozart 1 Pro New projector truly impresses. Standing tall in a world where streaming quality often depends on a rock-solid connection. Despite the router being positioned at a considerable distance, this projector consistently delivers over 100 megabits per second in download speed and an even more surprising 170 megabits per second in upload, speeds that are not only stable but also exceptional for a home projector in this price category. What does that mean for everyday use? Simply put, no lag, no buffering, no interruptions. But WANBO managed to deliver, blending cutting-edge wireless hardware with smart software optimization, creating a smooth, future-ready user experience. So whether you're streaming a blockbuster premiere in 4K, jumping into an online game, or simply browsing YouTube with friends, the Mozart 1 Pro New stays fast, responsive, and incredibly dependable. It's not just a projector, it's a true wireless entertainment center.